Samsung has started rolling out the February 2026 security update for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and this time it is expanding beyond South Korea. Last month, the company first released the update in its home country, but now users in other regions are beginning to receive it as well. The update is currently confirmed to be rolling out in Indonesia. It comes with firmware version F966B6 and has a download size of 554.92 MB. While this is not a major feature update, it is still very important. This patch focuses on improving security and fixing vulnerabilities that could affect the device. According to the details, the February 2026 security patch fixes 37 security issues. These fixes are designed to protect users from potential threats and keep personal data safe. Security updates may not always bring new features or visible changes, but they play a big role in maintaining the overall health and safety of your smartphone. If you own a Galaxy Z Fold 7, checking for the update is simple. Just go to Settings, then tap on Software Update, and select Download and Install. If the update is available in your region, you will see it there. Since Samsung has started expanding the rollout internationally, it should reach more countries very soon. Samsung has been improving its software support over the years, and regular security patches like this one show that the company is committed to keeping its flagship devices protected. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is one of Samsung's most advanced foldable phones, so it makes sense that the company wants to ensure it remains secure and reliable. While this current update is mainly about security, many users are already looking forward to the next big software upgrade. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to receive One UI 8.5, which will be based on Android 16 QPR2. This upcoming update is rumored to bring a refreshed user interface along with several new features. One UI updates usually include visual improvements, smoother animations, and better system optimization. Samsung often tweaks the design, enhances multitasking features, and improves performance with each major release. For a foldable device like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, software updates are especially important because they help optimize the large inner display and multitasking capabilities. Reports suggest that Samsung may begin rolling out One UI 8.5 to eligible devices in the next few weeks. While there is no exact date yet, the update is highly anticipated by users who want the latest Android features and Samsung's newest interface changes. For now, the focus is on the February 2026 security patch. Even though it may not seem exciting, installing it is strongly recommended. Security vulnerabilities can be serious, and patches like this help prevent unauthorized access, data leaks, and other potential risks. It is also worth noting that Samsung typically rolls out updates in phases. That means not everyone will receive it at the same time. If you do not see the update yet, it may arrive in the coming days. Sometimes carriers also influence the timing, so unlocked devices and carrier models may receive updates at slightly different times. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 continues to be one of Samsung's premium devices, and regular updates help maintain its value. With foldable phones becoming more common, software support is a key factor for many buyers. Knowing that your device will receive timely security patches and major Android upgrades adds peace of mind. In short, Samsung is expanding the February 2026 security update for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 globally. Starting with a 54.92 MB update fixes 37 security issues and improves overall device protection. If you own this foldable phone, make sure to check for the update and install it as soon as it becomes available. And with One UI 8.5 just around the corner, Galaxy Z Fold 7 users have even more to look forward to in the weeks ahead.